Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate DataBricks model serving with REST APIs, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate DataBricks model serving with REST APIs, start by logging into your DataBricks account. Navigate to the workspace where your model is saved. Select the model that you want to serve. Ensure that your model is registered in the model registry. If not, register your model by selecting the Register Model option. Fill in the necessary details, such as the model name and version. Choose the appropriate framework for your model. Next, open the Model Details page. Locate the Serve tab on the Model Details page. Click on the Create Endpoint button to initiate the serving process. In the endpoint configuration, provide a name for your REST API. Select the appropriate serving configuration options based on your needs. Specify the runtime, which includes setting the appropriate cluster configuration. You may also want to define scaling options based on expected traffic. After configuring the endpoint, click Create to start the deployment. Monitor the status of your endpoint on the serving dashboard. Once the endpoint is active, you will see a green indicator. To make requests to your model, copy the endpoint URL provided. Use a tool such as Postman or curl to test your REST API. Create a JSON payload that matches the input requirements of your model. Send a POST request to the endpoint using the copied URL. Include the necessary authentication headers if required. Check the response from your model to ensure it's working correctly. If you encounter issues, review the logs for troubleshooting. Once verified, you can integrate this endpoint into your applications. This completes the activation of DataBricks model serving with REST APIs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.